Also making some pumpkin vegetable rice. Got my mixed veg over here. I've got thyme, garlic, scotch bonnet, carrots, pumpkin, onion, and thyme. All ready to go in, so I'm going to go ahead and throw that in. I've got my coconut milk already in there. We're just gonna add some more water. I'll let this come to a boil, and then I'll add my rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my pot with a little bit of Maggi. And some black pepper. And some all-purpose seasoning. With all the seasoning, they all have salt in them and some jerk. So you may not need to add regular salt, so you need to taste as you go. So just season to taste. Okay, so now I've got my rice added. So I'm just gonna let this cook. And I'll come back and stir it halfway through and then let it finish. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, this pumpkin really didn't have that deep color to it. So I didn't really get the color in the rice that I was looking, but looking good nonetheless. Just search around trying to find a pumpkin that has a deep yellow color to it that gives the rice that's nice color. But this is coming along real good. It's steaming down now. So this is it. It's all rice done. The next time you're seeing it, I'll be sharing out. Okay. Vegetable pumpkin rice. It's all done. Looking good.